Okay, this is your online tutoring app. You click on that. You fill out all of your information. You need to use your Northside email. You can put chemistry or biology or whatever subject you need. And if you're doing my class, in the message, put requesting Ms. Morales. And that is it. It will take you to an agent. Remember, tutoring is Monday through Wednesday, for me personally, from 6 to 10 p.m. and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Do not forget that you also get extra credit by coming on to online tutoring. And you can also do attendance hours while you are doing tutoring. You can do AR in any subject. So if you come to, let's say, chemistry tutoring, those hours can count for history or English or wherever you need those AR hours. There's also an AR program, but that's a different system in this same option. So you will still use the same app. But the tutoring gives you extra credit in class. Thank you. Don't forget that it's Monday through Wednesday for me personally from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.